Why aren't I using flex tape for this? And I'll tell you why.
John, this is the Flex Tape Challenge, and I'm going to attempt to take this Flex Tape off this piece of metal.
Everybody, my name is Matt, and I'm going to take a shot at taking this tape off, Flex Tape off me here. We'll see how good I am.
My name is Scott, and I'm doing the Flex Tape Challenge. Every time. Come on. Get a grip on it. Get it. Oh, it's so damn heavy. Oh.
Strong without a doubt.
Ugly. Damn strong, that's for sure.
Hey! Yes! Oh! Get defeated by tape!
Alright, I'm gonna give up.
Very strong.
Fail! My name's Scott, and the Flex Tape beat me today.
Flex Tape's tougher than me. Very hard to get off.
Round one goes to the tape.
Flex Tape beat me. Flex Tape's too strong. We fail.